Welcome to ArtCenter College of Design Library Tutorial. Let's talk about all the different things you can do with our new library app for your mobile phone. This quick tutorial will show you some of the functions of this app. Follow along and we'll have you all set up in no time. This revolving slider at the top displays some of our current staff picks and may even be themed. This is a fun way to explore what we are featuring right now. The basic search allows you to search for all the items in our library that can be physically checked out, things like books, DVDs, magazines, and video games. The extended search looks for items in the basic search as well as online resources like various digital databases, ebooks, and e-journal articles. So, the extended search allows you to access resources like Flipster, which is a digital magazine platform, EBSCO, newspaper sources, and many more. To get the most out of this app, go to My Account and sign in. This can give you quick access to such services like book reservations and due dates. The Location and Hours tab leads us to a series of selections, archives and special collections, the Fogg Library dates and times at Hillside, the Hofmitz Milken Center's hours, and the South Campus Library hours. Ask a Librarian function puts you face to face with a library staff member that is there to help you and hook you up with anything you need for your classes or assignments. Click on it for a live chat and assistance for any problem you have during regular operating hours. The barcode scan allows you to use your mobile phone to scan a book's barcode to see if it's available in our library. You can do this in a bookstore, for example, as an easy way to see if we have it. If we don't have this book, you can always put in a purchase request through our website. This has been a lovely trip to the ArtCenter Library app. Thank you for watching and see you next time.